Okay, to change any of these bulbs over here, you want to go inside the vehicle in the trunk. It's the same procedure for this side and this side. So you want to pop this open. Okay, once that comes off, you want to push up on this little tab right here, and this whole thing is going to come out. Okay, and then you can bring out the whole thing. You could disconnect the connector if you like. Okay, but you should be able to kind of bring all this out, and you should be able to change all these bulbs in it, any bulb you like. Okay, and to put it back in, you're gonna take it right back to the same spot. Okay, this cushion's gonna kind of bother you, but once you find the spot, I want this out of the way. It should kind of like latch right in there, just like that. You see how it dropped right in there, and everything is freaking done. Or you can remove this connector and bring the whole thing out. Okay, and then once you're done, you put this back on. Bada bing, bada boom. So you should be able to change this bulb, and this bulb. Brake bulb, a running bulb, and a reverse bulb. All three can be changed. So just make sure you get the correct bulb, okay? Thank you for watching. And the procedure for this one is the same thing. It's just the opposite side. You're gonna move the cover from this side. Have somebody push the brake to check the brake bulb. Turn on the lights to see if the other bulbs are running. Put the car in the reverse to see if this bulb is working. And if this bulb is working, okay? It's a very simple procedure on this vehicle. It should take you no more than 3 minutes or maximum 5 minutes to change all the bulbs. Even that's a long time. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. I got a few other videos on this Mini Cooper. I did change the engine one time, one of these. So it's all your choice. If you like the car, go for it.